There are three fundamental principles of the Courage and Confidence Workshop. Number one, every student is different, so we tailor each Courage and Confidence Workshop to meet the actual needs of each shooter. Number two, students need to be prepared for real-life scenarios, so you're going to receive training that could actually save your life someday. 3, people won't train unless it's fun, so we make the Courage and Confidence Workshop the most fun you've ever had at a shooting range.
Yeah, you need to know how to get away from your assailant, and also need to be aware of what's around you.
Excellent class. Come out, get familiar with the gun, do some practice, get some ammunition downrange.
Real life. You don't want to shoot a partner, and you certainly want to be able to shoot in a pressured situation with combat.
Well, if somebody's coming to attack you, you need to know how to move with your gun as you're shooting.
Every instructor has different points that's important to them. No instructor is the same.
Oh, I enjoyed the part 2 where it tells you to change your mags.
What did you learn today?
Keep my finger off the trigger.